Checking your transaction history on Regions Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your account information quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Regions Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Regions Bank website. Ensure you are on the correct site to protect your personal information. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Summary section on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 4. Select the desired account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. View transaction history. After selecting the account, find the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to see a detailed list of your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Regions Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.